Meaning of digression.
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 Digression. Digression refers to a temporary departure or deviation from the main topic or theme being discussed. It is an interruption that may be intentional or unintentional, but it often distracts from the original point and can lead the conversation or writing astray. Despite its potential to detract from the main focus, digressions can sometimes be useful for providing additional context or background information. Overall, digressions can be seen as either a hindrance or a helpful addition depending on their relevance and execution.